gonna sing the Pink Pony Club song? Huh, Mac? Let me turn it down a little. What are you doing? Are you stealing the spotlight? Huh, Joey? JoJo's Pink Pony Club.
Is that your favorite song?
Oh.
I think you have to be singing too. I think you're quiet because you're not singing. We all have to sing.
Pink Pony Club.
I'm gonna keep on dancing at the West Hollywood. I'm a pink pony girl. Just having fun. He's like, I don't need you in here. Oh, here comes your favorite part. Pink pony club. I'm gonna keep on dancing with the pink. He's like, no. I don't think he's feeling it too much anymore. He's like, you ruined it. Oh. Did I ruin
This
your
is
show?
what our daily life looks like in a parrot rescue, y'all, in a home environment.